How to link Google Voice to your Google account. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device or go to voice.google.com and sign in using your Google account. If you are already signed in on your device, it will automatically show your account. Choose the account you want to link with Google Voice. Next, tap or click on the settings gear icon in the top right. Under the account section, you will see options like get a number, my devices and link numbers. Tap or click on plus new link number. Enter the phone number you want to link and follow the verification prompts. This ensures that calls and messages sent to your Google Voice number can be forwarded to the linked device. Once verified, your link number will appear under linked numbers and you can manage which device receive call or text from Google Voice. Linking your number allows for seamless syncing across devices and makes it easier to stay connected. Now you know how to link Google Voice to your Google account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.